I think, having come over here and seen World War One and World War Two, I think many of the Jews wanted to be as acculturated as possible to be part of the American community. I think there was still a lot of fear that Germany had not healed and that it was very dangerous to be in the world as a Jew. Um, so I never had the sense that while they wanted to keep a lot of the cultural stuff, I'm not sure that they wanted to insulate themselves from being considered by all of our neighbors to be equally just like everybody else. Um, which was different than, for instance, my Japanese friend whose father had died in the internment camp, and his mom, who was a seamstress, and his grandfather, who was a samurai, actually, they were very insular and didn't really relate to many people other than the Japanese community, except for the three neighbors sort of right around them, who they were lovely with, and my parents would have them over for dinner and so forth. And I would have lunch there all the time with Larry. So I think each immigrant community handled it somewhat differently.